In today's globalized world, diverse teams are becoming increasingly common. These teams bring together individuals from various backgrounds, cultures, and experiences, creating a rich tapestry of perspectives. This diversity brings a wealth of perspectives, experiences, and ideas. It fosters creativity and innovation as team members can draw from a broader range of insights and approaches. However, it also presents unique challenges, with conflict being a significant one. Differences in communication styles, cultural norms, and personal values can lead to misunderstandings and disagreements. Conflict can arise from differing communication styles, cultural norms, and perspectives. These conflicts, if not addressed properly, can escalate and create a toxic work environment. Unresolved conflicts can lead to decreased productivity, low morale, and missed opportunities. Team members may become disengaged, and the overall team dynamic can suffer. Effective conflict resolution is essential for diverse teams to thrive. It involves addressing issues promptly and constructively, ensuring that all voices are heard and respected. When team members feel heard, understood, and respected, they are more likely to collaborate effectively. This creates a positive work environment where everyone feels valued. This leads to increased creativity, innovation, and overall team success. Teams that can navigate conflicts constructively are better equipped to leverage their diversity for greater achievements. In the following sections, we will delve into practical tips and strategies for mastering conflict resolution in diverse teams. These strategies will help teams build stronger, more cohesive relationships. By understanding the importance of cultural sensitivity, effective communication, and empathy, teams can navigate conflict constructively and harness the power of diversity. These skills are crucial for creating a harmonious and productive work environment. Remember, conflict, when managed effectively, can be a catalyst for growth and innovation. Embracing and resolving conflicts can lead to stronger, more resilient teams that are capable of achieving remarkable success. Cultural differences play a significant role in shaping how individuals perceive and respond to conflict. These differences can influence not only verbal communication, but also nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions. What may be considered assertive communication in one culture could be perceived as aggressive in another. This can lead to misunderstandings if team members are not aware of these cultural nuances. Similarly, decision-making processes can vary greatly across cultures. Some cultures value individual input and democratic processes, while others may prioritize group harmony and collective decision-making. For instance, in some cultures decisions are made through consensus building, involving extensive discussions to ensure everyone agrees. In contrast, other cultures may follow a more hierarchical approach, where decisions are made by senior leaders. Misunderstandings due to cultural differences can escalate into conflicts if not addressed with sensitivity and awareness. It's important to recognize these potential pitfalls and address them proactively. To prevent such misunderstandings, it's crucial to foster an environment of cultural sensitivity. This involves creating opportunities for team members to learn about each other's cultures and communication styles. Team members should educate themselves about their colleagues' cultural backgrounds and communication styles. This can be achieved through training sessions, workshops, and open discussions. This understanding can help bridge cultural gaps and promote respectful interactions. By valuing and respecting cultural diversity, teams can work more effectively and harmoniously together. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful conflict resolution. It is the foundation upon which strong relationships and productive collaborations are built. It involves actively listening to understand different perspectives, truly hearing what others are saying, and acknowledging their viewpoints. Expressing oneself clearly and respectfully, and seeking common ground, are key components of this process. In diverse teams, it's essential to be mindful of communication styles as they can vary greatly. Some cultures value direct communication where clarity and straightforwardness are appreciated, while others favor a more indirect approach, where subtlety and context are key. Nonverbal cues, such as body language and tone of voice, also carry significant weight in communication and can be interpreted differently across cultures, leading to potential misunderstandings if not carefully considered. To enhance communication, encourage team members to practice active listening, which involves giving full attention to the speaker, paying attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues, and showing genuine interest in the conversation. Be mindful of tone and body language as these can convey emotions and intentions that words alone may not. ensure your communication is respectful and culturally appropriate, seek clarification when needed, and don't hesitate to ask questions to ensure understanding. This helps to avoid assumptions and ensures everyone is on the same page. Use clear and concise language, avoiding jargon or technical terms that may not be familiar to everyone to ensure your message is accessible. By fostering a culture of open and respectful communication, teams can prevent misunderstandings, address conflicts constructively, and build stronger, more cohesive relationships. Empathy is the heart of conflict resolution.